Good morning, Eagles. Welcome to Blue Eagle News for WeConnect. Today is September 9th. I am Bryson.
And I'm Mary Mazzone. We have a lot going on at Wethersfield High School, so pay attention.
The most important information today is from the school counseling office.
This Thursday, the 11th, is the last day to add or drop classes. The last day, people.
Open house is this Thursday from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Students should have received blank schedules from WeConnect. Be kind to your families and fill out the schedules accurately so they can find their way.
Eagle Crew students will be there to help navigate, but they do not know your personal schedule.
The American Veterans Traveling Tribute Wall is coming to Wethersfield this week.
The memorial will be displayed at Cove Park starting tomorrow the 10th through Sunday the 14th.
This memorial is dedicated to the men and women who have served in our armed forces here and abroad.
Thursday and Friday, there will be a storytime event beginning at 4:15 in the afternoon.
Important request from Mr. Brown for all the students who had him last year.
If you want your portfolio of graded work for any reason, including possible use in your capstone project, please stop by Mr. Brown's room before the end of this week to pick it up.
As sporting events are gearing up, consider purchasing a season pass.
For students, it costs $5 and gets you into all of the home football and soccer games.
Purchase tickets, cash only, in the main office or the athletic office.
Can you believe that today is only our 8th day of school? Only 172 days to go. For some of our new students, the schedule may still be confusing. Kayla Files is here to explain.
Every school has their own unique schedule for each day. Here's how it works for Wethersfield High School. This one's for you new students and freshmen. As most of you know, you can check Power School for a clear outline of your day. The appearance is slightly different if you're using the app on your phone. That little icon up there tells you what letter day it is, which we have 4 of. Each daily schedule has 2 skipped periods that you will not attend. We miss periods 4 and 8 on A days, 3 and 7 on B days, 2 and 6 on C days, and 1 and 5 on D days. For example, let's say that these are your classes. If today were a C day, you will not meet with these 2 classes. This letter day pattern continues as normal even if school gets canceled for whatever reason. Let's say we have a snow day on what would have been an A day. That A day would be moved to whatever day we come back to school. Don't worry, emails are often sent out if this happens, and your Power School will update accordingly so that you'll know exactly where to go. That's all, and good luck out there, everyone.
Thanks, Kayla. Here are clubs and activities meeting this week.
National Arts Honor Society meets tomorrow after school in room 22. Thursday, auditions for the fall play take place in the school auditorium.
The Asian Cultural Club announced their first meeting, which will take place tomorrow after school in room 103. This group will meet every other week on Wednesdays. See Mrs. Wong with any questions.
To get you ready for next week, here are some of the clubs and organizations holding meetings.
A reminder, on Mondays, you can still get involved with intramural tennis or the Environmental Club.
The National Honor Society will hold its first meeting on Wednesday, September 17th after school promptly at 2:20 in room 116.
Miss Nemec begs you to please be on time.
The Robotics and Coding Club has its first meeting starting on Thursday, September 18th, and will meet every Thursday after school in room 219. See Mrs. Nicholas with any questions.
If cycling is your jam, join me. Last year, I was the president of the bike club. We have our first ice cream ride on Friday the 19th after school in the garage. If you don't have a bike, we do have some available. If you are interested, you should definitely join and come when you can. Get a blue slip from Mr. Brown in room 401 anytime to become a member.
Planning ahead, the dance team is holding a fundraiser at Salute Restaurant in Rocky Hill all day Saturday, September 29th.
Dine in or take out. Just let them know you're there to support the dance team. Dining and reservations are highly encouraged.
That's all for today. Keep an eye out for our Blue Eagle News reporters who will be out and about this week talking with you. Look for Cool Man Alex.
And don't forget to follow us on social media. I'm Bryson Miller.
And I'm Mary Mazzone. Have a great week, Eagles.
We are loud.
We are proud.
We are Eagles.